Click on the link below to get price. Welcome back. We're absolutely thrilled that you've decided to join us today. You're in for a treat as we delve into the incredible Vitilan T7 Pro electric bike, a true game changer for both commuting and recreation. In recent years, electric bikes have skyrocketed in popularity, bringing along a transformation in how we navigate our urban landscapes. These innovative rides provide an eco-friendly, convenient, and, let's be honest, pretty enjoyable alternative to traditional modes of transportation. So, let's dive into what exactly makes the Vitilan T7 Pro stand out in this exciting world of e-bikes. This bike is designed with an eye on both style and function, featuring cutting-edge technology that caters to every rider's needs. Imagine hopping on a bike that not only looks sleek and modern, but also gives you the performance you crave. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the T7 Pro is ready to take you there in style. At the heart of the Vitilan T7 Pro lies a powerful 1000 W motor with a mind-blowing peak capability of 1600 W. Just think about that for a moment. This power allows you to conquer those steep hills, navigate through busy city streets, and enjoy exhilarating rides with incredible ease. Whether you're sprinting to a meeting or just enjoying a leisurely ride through the park, the T7 Pro delivers outstanding performance and speed that will keep you smiling. Now let's talk about comfort and design, shall we? The Vitilan T7 Pro boasts a sleek and modern appearance that turns heads wherever you go. And it's not just about looks. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, with thoughtful features that cater to different lifestyles. Picture yourself gliding through the city or cruising down a scenic trail. Whether you're a casual rider or a dedicated urban commuter, this bike adapts perfectly to your daily routine. Isn't that what we all want? But, of course, a great ride goes beyond just the motor and design. What about battery life? The Vitilan T7 Pro is equipped with a high-capacity battery that not only powers your ride, but also boasts a quick charging time. Depending on your riding style, you can travel impressively far on a single charge. This makes it perfect for those long journeys or everyday commutes. Imagine not having to worry about running out of juice halfway to your destination. Isn't that a relief? And let's not forget about safety. Safety is paramount, and the Vitilan T7 Pro doesn't skimp on that front. It includes reliable brakes, bright lights for visibility, and a durable frame to ensure you can ride with confidence, day or night. Safety features are built into every aspect of this bike, providing peace of mind as you hit the road. So, can you picture yourself enjoying the ride while feeling completely secure? I know I can, but don't just take our word for it. We've heard glowing testimonials from riders of the Vitilan T7 Pro sharing their experiences. From the smooth ride to the powerful motor, users rave about how it enhances their daily travels and weekend adventures. Just imagine a community of riders who can't stop raving about their experiences. What would that be like? So, how does the Vitilan T7 Pro stack up against other models on the market? Well, with its powerful motor, stylish design, and excellent battery life, it truly stands out in a crowded field. The T7 Pro doesn't just meet expectations. It often exceeds them compared to its competitors. Isn't that an exciting prospect? Now, let's pause for a moment. Have you ever thought about what it would feel like to elevate your riding experience? So, are you ready to take that leap? Don't miss out on the chance to discover more about the Vitilan T7 Pro. Visit our website for further details and find out where you could take a test ride. Join the electric bike revolution today and feel the thrill for yourself. In conclusion, the Vitilan T7 Pro is more than just an electric bike. It's your ticket to freedom and fun. Thank you for joining us to learn about this exciting ride. We can't wait for you to experience the Vitilan T7 Pro for yourself and join the ranks of thrilled riders who have discovered the joys of this incredible bike. Click on the link below to get price.